So, as I said at the very beginning, in the venture capital market, venture capitalists are investing for the future. Therefore, it is very interesting to have a look of COVID-19 has brought opportunities to which industries. In fact, COVID-19 has promoted dozens of changes in our daily life and industries. Here, listed industries were selected based on the performance in the venture capital market. In other words, these industries attract most attention from the future investors in this special period. The first one is AI period. The AI field. Innovative applications of artificial intelligence continue to gain favor from capital. So it is very significant that the top 10 investments in the technology industry are all concentrated in the field of artificial intelligence, of which 60% of them are concentrated in the application layer of artificial intelligence. So the figure in the left shows that in the first quarter in 2020, the China Artificial Intelligence Equity Investment Event amount and equity investment event number based on the round distribution. So in the first quarter, in total, there's 55 deals done in the AI fields. And if we look into the segment, as the right figure shows, self-driving vehicle systems, so to short, I like write autopilot here, and computer vision, which can be briefly explained as teach computers to see as our eyes do, is a algorithm system, and the smart hardware and AI chips received the most attention. So following with the AI field, another industrial directly influenced by the COVID-19 is education industry. So COVID-19 has prevented China's 265 million students from attending school. However, it also brings a big opportunity in promoting online education revolution. I believe that we all see, and we are all already currently experiencing, the demand of online teaching and learning has increased rapidly, which also can be found in the left figure, representing the significant increase in average investment amount in education industry, though it is partly affected by the big investment received by Yuan Fudao I introduced a little while before. However, the right figure also proves us with a number of events under COVID-19 situation. Online education shows its potential market. In fact, online education not only benefits in this special period, but also have the potential to encourage education equality and balance the education resource in the future. Another one is very apparently, maybe everybody thinking about the COVID-19 will affecting industrial. Maybe everybody will come up with the health and medical industries. In fact, health and medical industry begins a new round of growth. And figure 9 and figure 2 has shown the differentiation between the distribution of investment segments in the health and medical industries in 2019 and 2020, the first quarter of 2020. So we can see the medical instruments based on the demand brought by the COVID-19 have become larger and following with the medical service and the medicines. And if we look into the investment and financing of various segments in 2019, so we can see, in fact, biomedical AI medical was the most attractive parts for the investors. So here I introduced you 3 different industrials which have the not on, based on the all the negative down round about the venture capital market worldwide and also in China. These 3 industrials, however, has been positively affected by the COVID-19 and have some very good performance in this special period. So in short, this is all about my presentation. This is the reference, and thank you for listening. And I'm waiting for discussion and your questions in the later part.
Thank you, Ms. Ni. It was a very interesting to learn more about what's happening on the venture markets around the world and in China. And you showed some industries which benefited actually from the COVID-19 crisis. As we all know, every crisis is also an opportunity. So we saw that there is a big opportunity for some industries here.